The National Electrical Code requires stranded conductors for low-voltage circuits in certain applications. This requirement can be found in NEC Article 725.154a. Stranded conductors are required for low-voltage circuits in the following cases. Firstly, flexible cords and cables rated less than 50 volts. Secondly, circuit conductors concealed in walls, ceilings, or floors. Thirdly, conductors embedded in plaster or dry cavity insulation. However, there are exceptions where solid conductors may be used. Solid conductors may be used firstly for conductors 12 American wire gauge or larger that are 25 feet or less in length, and secondly for conductors 14 American wire gauge or larger that are 10 feet or less in length. The reasons for requiring stranded wiring are based on the flexibility and durability of stranded conductors. Stranded conductors are more flexible and less likely to break when bent or flexed. This is important for low-voltage circuits that may be exposed to movement or vibration. Solid conductors, on the other hand, are more rigid and can break more easily under these conditions. Therefore, the NEC mandates stranded conductors in specific low-voltage applications to ensure safety and reliability.